Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your data analysis with Tableau, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your data analysis with Tableau, start by downloading and installing Tableau Desktop from the official website. Launch Tableau Desktop and create a new project to begin your data analysis journey. Connect to your data source by selecting from various options like Excel, SQL databases, or cloud services. Once you've connected, explore your dataset in the data pane to understand its structure and contents. Drag and drop the relevant fields into the workspace to create your first visualization. Use filters to narrow down the data and focus on specific trends or insights. Customize your visualizations by choosing different chart types, such as bar charts, line graphs, or pie charts, depending on your data's story. Utilize the Show Me panel to discover suggested visualizations based on the selected data fields. Incorporate calculated fields to create new data metrics that provide deeper insights. Enhance your dashboards by adding interactive elements like filters, parameters, and actions. Organize your visualizations into a coherent dashboard layout for effective storytelling. Leverage Tableau's color and formatting options to make your data stand out and be more understandable. Utilize tooltips to provide additional context for data points when viewers hover over them. Once your dashboard is complete, share your findings by publishing to Tableau Server or Tableau Online for collaboration. Consider creating a data flow using Tableau Prep to clean and shape your data before visualizing it in Tableau. Regularly revisit your visualizations to ensure they remain relevant and up-to-date as new data becomes available. Explore Tableau's online community and resources for additional tutorials and tips to continue enhancing your data analysis skills. By following these steps, you can significantly elevate your data analysis capabilities with Tableau. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.